Hold on. Before we get this shit rocking any further, hold on. Please hold on. Please. Everybody, please take your positions. Sit the fuck down. I don't know what the fuck half of you guys are doing right now, but sit the fuck down. Hold the fuck on. Hold on. Please hold on. Everybody in the shot o'clock. If they're not taking the shot, I don't know what. Hold the fuck up!
DBCutIT
is in the building!
Hey, what's up, y'all, man? It's your boy DBCutIT, man. You gotta love it. First and foremost, I hope you guys are all doing okay. You and your families there in these hard times in life. 2020 has been quite a year so far, man. You know, right now we're going through the coronavirus in my Cardi B voice.
Coronavirus.
But yeah, man, I hope y'all just quarantining. I don't even know if I said that right, y'all, but I hope y'all in quarantine right now, washing y'all hands, man, just staying safe, social distancing, all that, and you know, more importantly, watching my videos. It's like, nah, man, but make sure y'all take care of yourselves and your family. But right here is the Barber Magic Pencil tutorial. As y'all can see, it's very self-explanatory, very easy to use, a very magnificent product. I was first introduced to this product on Get Beamed channel. If y'all haven't checked Get Beamed channels out, man, go check his channel out. Get Beamed. You're really killing the industry right now. Him and Jeezy, man. Shout out to Jeezy and Get Beamed, man. Y'all really doing your thing, man. Salute. But with that being said, I won't be dropping no videos for about a couple of months, y'all, because we in the process of moving. We just got a new house, man. All praise to the Most High. But when I come back, man, it's gonna be straight bangers, man. I'm coming harder than ever, and I ain't talking no Cialis, no Viagra needed. Pause. But no, for real, this product definitely gets a 10 out of 10 in my product rating. I just want to let y'all know, man, this is also my first time using the Barber Magic Pencil, and it's honestly, it does justice, man. As y'all can see, y'all gonna see at the end of the video, it does justice. It just makes the haircut 10 times better. But like, yeah, man, go ahead and just watch how I just apply this. When y'all applying it for the first time, man, make sure you give a very light touch. A lot more came off the pencil than I honestly should have used. I should have went more softer with it, but I didn't know that, man. It's my first time using it, and it came out really good. So I'm just showing y'all a demonstration, baby. Now just go ahead and watch how I apply everything, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just trace over everything with my trimmer. Once you hit it with the trimmer, then it's gonna be time with the straight razor. I didn't get the straight razor footage because when I reclined my brother in the chair, you know, the angle of the camera and all that, it just didn't catch it. So boo-hoo, sad story. But no, for that might be my next tutorial: how to use a straight blade, how to use a straight razor. But if you do not have a straight blade or a straight razor and you haven't learned how to use it yet, then don't get the Barber Magic Pencil, in my opinion, because honestly, the razor honestly pulls everything together. Like the trimmers don't do it all the way. Like when I go in with this blade, that y'all not gonna see, but when I do go in with the blade, y'all gonna see the difference of the outcome. Yeah, y'all see me, man. I'm going over it with the very light touches in the nape area. You want to make sure you don't scratch your client. In this case, it's my little brother, but man, it's nothing attractive about scratches, man. You really want to make sure you apply that light pressure to your client's nape area, because that's the most sensitive area, that and under the neck. You just want to make sure you give it that light pressure, man. I'm telling y'all ain't got to go dig in the skin with this. But yeah, man, y'all gonna see me. Go ahead, just pay attention, man. You see me, I'm going over with everything, and then you're gonna see the outcome after that razor hit it. When that razor hit it, it really just looks so much more natural. And you know, like I said, I highly recommend, if you don't have a blade and you don't know how to use the blade yet, then do not get the Barber Magic Pencil just yet. As y'all can see, man, this haircut is just about finished. Right now, like I said, I ain't got the clips, but I go in with my Diamond's Edge by Yandi Blends. Man, shout out to Yandi's. If you're in Miami, hit him up. He's been going crazy in the barber game. But this is the finished cut, y'all. Y'all can see, man, it just makes it pop, man. Like, y'all can't tell me this cut is not fire. Man, I'm full of my shit right now. My shit don't stink. Say no, but no, for real, man. Make sure if y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit that like button, and then more importantly, share the video. And if you want to, subscribe, man. Show a brother some love, man. You know, hey, like I said, man, y'all be safe during these coronavirus times.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real.